know they're like short and bad lately? It's just because this phone is so bad at charging. I never have time to upload stuff. It takes forever now that I have to use this editor. And I just try to find a new one, but the new ones you all have to pay for. They're all like, this is the only one I can think of. And now YouTube's not letting me trim stuff, so I have to have that stupid outro. But the storm is completely stopped. It's hot out. It's 75 degrees. Let me just see.
With confidence to leave behind presentations that customers will read, not recycle. The confidence to produce color manuals that'll keep your business in the black. The confidence that your financial forecast will no longer be.
It's actually very, the breeze is very nice out there. Nice breeze. It's not like the hurricane winds, it's just a little breeze. We went to Walmart today. I already had lunch. It's like 2 something. I'll probably film when I eat if this thing's charged up. Oh, shut up. Try to talk and like, but yeah. If this thing's charged up when I'm eating, I'll show you guys the food I'm eating and stuff like that. Try to do something interesting. Maybe film if I take a walk. And once the washing machine's done, I can plug in the camper. And then turn on this, because it's super hot. So bye, I gotta make yesterday's vlog now. Guys, right now I'm super close to a bird. I'm gonna try to pet it. Why isn't it moving when I pet it? What do you guys think? Did you think this guy was... He looks pretty real, actually. What am I talking about? So I got... Focus. Home from that walk. You guys saw me taking a walk. That's the time. 8:30. No, I didn't get home at 8:30. I got home 7 o'clock. Okay? Kizoa. See that, guys? Kizoa. Hate that. But I'm gonna probably make some cheese crackers. I don't know if you guys want to see these. Do you want to see it? Just one of them? Okay, fine, just one. So here we got the cheese I'm eating. These are the crackers. Walmart brand wheat thins. They just took the name, flipped it around. See that? So here's that thing that is exactly the same. There's a sandwich. Do you guys want some? This is probably gross to you guys, right? No, you guys like this. Some of you guys like this. Here you go. Try a bite. Wow. This is what I get to eat. Every time I try to film, you guys just try to eat my food just because I'm filming. You take advantage of eating it through the computer. This, I'm gonna eat. Don't even try it. It's over here. Try to get it. You can't get it because Kizoa letters are in the way. Haha. This stuff is best by February 28th, 2018. So basically I'm gonna be watching this pretty soon and thinking that I'm pretty glad I still have this stuff because it would be expired. Obviously I'm not even gonna have this for another week. Like, in this house, no way. Would you guys just look at this nice, delicious cheese? This you're really, really not having. After earlier, and all those other times, you're not having this, sorry. I keep hearing that noise and wondering what it is. It's like a mix of a kid screaming and brakes on a car. I'm gonna go now. Guys, right now I looked outside. There is mist, like, engulfing our whole city, like our whole neighborhood. It's so weird, and the skies are, like, orangey. I'm gonna go out there and film it. Wait. See you out there. like it's snowing, but it's nice. I hope you can see that. It's so weird. So it's like it's snowing out. And if you look in the light, you can see mist falling from the sky. Fog and mist falling from the sky. It looks like snow. And look at this view, guys. Look at this. And it just looks like, I don't know, it's so weird. You can feel it in the air when you breathe. You can feel like, it feels like a nice fresh mist. I don't know. And it's all around this whole city. Really weird. But I'm ending the vlog off, so bye.